really excited to be involved with TEI because I feel like we're addressing a challenge that we've faced in educational technology for a long time. There's always a tendency to focus on the tools and what you can do with particular pieces of software, and perhaps not connecting them as well with teaching in our classrooms. So I feel like the idea of TPAC and TEI bringing together what we're teaching, how we're teaching it with the appropriate tools is really a valuable experience for faculty. Just going through that process of determining what kind of technology would fit particularly well with the kind of topic that I'm teaching, with the way that I want to teach it in my class, is really valuable in terms of designing a meaningful learning experience with technology. And although I actually teach educational technology courses for pre-service teachers, teaching them how to integrate technology in their own teaching, being involved with TEI and really thinking through how to help faculty connect content, technology, and pedagogy has actually informed my teaching as well. I'm more mindful, I think, and more strategic with the kinds of technologies I use in relation to the course content, in the relation to the way I want to teach that particular topic or concept.